Hello guys, welcome to Caan Tech Foundation. My name is Catherine. In today's video, we're going to learn how to link PayPal to your M-PESA. So if you get paid online using PayPal, you need to easily transfer money from your PayPal account to your M-PESA. So go to paypal.com and click on login. When you click on login, it's going to ask for your email address and your password for PayPal, that is. So make sure you enter the correct details. A verification code is going to be sent to your email. Also verify that, and then you'll be able to log in. So this is how the PayPal dashboard homepage looks like. There you can see your balance. So to link PayPal to your M-PESA, go to account settings under your profile. Scroll down and click on account owner information under business information. Then next to your phone, click on update. It's going to open the phone numbers page. There you can see all your phone numbers. So you can edit the phone number that is currently there by clicking on the three dots to edit the phone number, or you can add a new one. Since the goal here is to link PayPal to your M-PESA, the number you enter in PayPal should be your M-PESA number. So choose the phone type. Make sure you choose home. Select your country code 254 Kenya, and then enter your phone number, your M-PESA number. You can also choose whether to make that number your primary number or not by checking the make this my primary number, and then you can click on add number. And there the number has been added successfully, as you can see in the banner message. So congratulations on linking PayPal to your M-PESA. So now that you have successfully linked PayPal to your M-PESA, you can easily withdraw money from your PayPal to your M-PESA account using the PayPal mini app in the M-PESA app. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name has been Catherine. Until next time, bye-bye.